Good day, gentlemen and women. I'm here to present the paper entitled Enhancing Sustainability of Roads to General Infrastructure Projects Delivery in Nigeria. The outline: Introduction, Sustainability Assessment through Procedures and Computational Methods, Multi-Criteria Decision Method (MCDM), Conclusion, Appreciation, and conclusion, recommendation, appreciation. Introduction. Due to or because of current federal government infrastructure transformation policy and economic growth, there are issues or pressures in our road infrastructure. And in order to develop these road infrastructures and care for those roads, there is a need for capital resources and sufficient financial support, since road work or road infrastructures generally involve intensive capital. So for the purpose of developing them, it needs capital resources and financial support. This, therefore, government and stakeholders need to be involved in sustainability-related infrastructure development or issues, presumption of public unawareness, and general challenges that have to do with sustainability practices in Nigeria. For the purpose of this, there is need for the adoption of sustainability principles during project conception, design, construction, and operations maintenance. This research, therefore, is aimed at investigating the theory and practice that adopt sustainability concept in the country. That's every reason for you to ascertain, have we integrated sustainability principles in our design? If yes, good. If not, why? And for we to practice sustainability issues in this country, especially in general infrastructure, we must integrate those principles to make it work efficiently. This study also observed that there is no systematic method of assessing this sustainability practice in Nigeria, and suggested multi-criteria decision method of analysis because of its mathematical efficiency, foundation, and practical application. There are some benefits or gains for sustainability enhancement. They are as follows. It will improve the quality of urban life, both in short and long term. It will bring protection of local environment and reduce the impacts on general environment from a long-term angle. Solving environmental, social, cultural assets for further generations to come. It will also improve the economic efficiency and life cycle of our roads infrastructure and utilities or the services. Sustainability can be implemented in two ways. It can be through institutional support, like professional bodies and government agencies, or pressure groups. It can also be implemented through the utilizing development of new innovation technology to change the current practice and move us to the sustainability approach, and move to more sustainability approaches. Sustainability, this can be done through procedures and computational methods. 1. Applying relevant application that is necessary for criteria and alternative design options. 2. Allocating or assigning numerical values, that is weight, for the criteria based on project and geographical locations, which also may be country specific or project specific. Alternatives are appraised or assessed using the same standard or criteria or the same basket of criteria. Third, numerical values are processed to determine the ranking of alternative design options along main sustainability criteria or indicators. These are done because you cannot, the values are processed. You process the value to determine the ranks, the positions. Because if you don't determine the positions, it is very difficult. We have so many criteria, we have so many indicators. So when it is processed, now you can be able to determine the ranking of each alternative. Criteria Decision Method, MCDM. This section formulates mathematical modeling or model using computer for the computation of sustainability index, SI. Specifically, weighted sum model are used for the calculation. That is the only among all the multi-criteria decision method. We have many of them, analytical method and the rest. But weighted sum model is specifically good for the ranking because it will help you to do the ranking of each of the criteria and indicators. The table is shown below, which the time may not give us to go into details. The table showing design alternatives or options and sustainability criteria columns. In design column, there are alternative A1, A2, A3, A4 to AN. In sustainability criteria column, there is SC1, SC2, S2, SCN. Relative weight of importance of criteria were attached. They are W1, W2, W3, W4 to WN. To WN. To WN of CJ and AIJ, which is the performance, operates this equation formula 1, 2, and 3. The function formula of the alternative design calculation, which is already here in the document. Conclusion. This paper presented the background information and recent literature reviews of sustainability in general, infrastructure, road. It therefore discusses the multiple stakeholders' perception on sustainability and key performance indicators. The paper also, in conclusion, investigated the theory and practice that adopt sustainability infrastructure delivery in Nigeria, which was not in existence or which was not in existence before. So, in order to get the information, we have to assess the already completed job and know whether sustainability issues have been taken care of. The study was conducted using the key performance indicators tool, using multi-criteria decision method, which applied weighted sum model. These formulas are, these tools here is what I have used and what I have shown the formula, how to make use of it in calculation. And that's what is fitted for this particular research work. Sustainability criteria and indicators are summarized in all regions of Nigeria. What we did here, we did in all the states, and we did a general study on Nigeria as a whole, and which it represents the cumulative results. After the regional, we did the whole Nigeria together, which is here represented the cumulative result from 4 regions, and each of them are calculated. One is Abuja, Lagos, North East and South South. 2 or next, max minimum priority indicators and critical stability are analyzed. From this, from the calculation here, we're able to use the weighted sum model to analyze the maximum and the priority indicators. The maximum indicator is the maximum indicator that have been ranked high, while the minimum indicators are the indicators that are ranked low. This design, this weighted sum model, will be able to give you the highest ranked indicator and the lowest ranked indicator in each zone. And then we'll combine the 4 zones to get cumulative results and get the highest rank and the low ranking indicators. We'll be able to, with those combinations, we'll be able to, extract the highest indicator from each zone and then compare it with other zones to get final the highest, just like in a class of in a class where you have class A, class B, class 5 or class ABC. After the result, the process of the result, you'll be able to classify the students in that class, their positions. So these things is what we did in each zone. The best in zone A, the best in zone B. When you compare with all the zones, you discover that the best in A may be the best in all, and the best in C may be the second to A, until we're able to compare all the zones. This is exactly what we did, whereby sustainability criteria and indicators are summarized in all regions of Nigeria, which represent the cumulative results from the 4 regions of Abuja, Lagos, North East and South South. Then maximum and minimum priority indicators and criteria sustainability are analyzed and chosen based on this. Examples of sustainability criteria and the indicators as analyzed in the zones are economic sustainability. Employment labor indicator was considered or ranked high, which shows positive relationship between the employment level and economic growth in construction industry in Nigeria. Resource utilization sustainability criteria. Construction material indicator was ranked high, which suggested that indicators under resource utilization relate to construction methods and strategies employed. That is to say, it shows the minimum depletion of limited resources. Health and safety. Safety indicator was ranked high as a result of the stakeholders' awareness of safety in the construction industry. And sustainability criteria. Solid construction material indicator was ranked high due to huge construction development going on and generate more waste. If the waste are not properly harnessed or handled, it will increase the cost of construction activities in the country. And this is one of the reasons we're always very careful in construction. You'll be able to manage, you'll be able to get those exact material you estimate, and you don't overestimate, because if you overestimate, you have a lot of wastages. So for this reason, you have to be careful in the selection of the materials to use, so that at the end of the day, you should not have wasteful materials. Project management. Size and complexity indicator is project management related sustainability. Each position accounts for the need to adopt strategies that will collaborate with project teams. Recommendation. Way forward is to develop road and general infrastructure sustainability, which will require careful monitoring and orientation towards interest and need of all the stakeholders, stroke community involvement. Understand sustainability drivers, which are global trends, government policies, business continuity, human existence, environmental and community requirement, individual beliefs or awareness. And integrate their different perception and priority needs. That is, it will involve the sustainability problems Introduce sustainability impact assessment in infrastructure development, just like we did in the environmental impact assessment. This will help us to determine the gains and the losses in sustainability issues. This study therefore proposed multi-criterial decision method, which involved the use of weighted sum model and mathematical foundation for computational analysis in Nigeria. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. I appreciate it. Good day.